Hey guys, welcome to One Kitchen. I'm Julia. I know I'm not the only one who loves a good durum kebab, pizza kebab, pita kebab, just everything with kebab. It is so delicious, and I'm going to show you guys a very simple way of doing some homemade kebab. Normally it is really meat pushed together, put in a bowl, heat it while it is turning, and then cut into slices from the machine. Yeah, I don't have room for such a machine in my kitchen, so I'm going to do it a very simple way and just do a delicious beef mix, add on a baking sheet and bake in the oven, and then you have some delicious, easy kebab. We can of course discuss if it is real kebab or whatever, but it is very delicious, and I think it is a yummy, easy way to do a homemade kebab. And I'm going to serve it in some pita bread with some homemade yogurt dressing. It is so delicious, so let's get started. My oven is at 190 degrees C convection oven, and in a bowl I have lots of minced beef, adding in lots of chopped onion and chopped garlic, breadcrumbs, eggs. I have a mix of salt, cumin, coriander, and some cayenne pepper in with that, and lots of pepper, and mix it really well through. And I'm going to use some gloves on my hands just to not get my hands dirty in this meat mix, but just really use your fingers to really get it nice and kneaded through. Last but not least, in with some fresh chopped parsley. I have a baking sheet with some parchment paper on, and I'm going to add around 2/3 of my meat mix on. It's really important not to have too much meat on there because you want some nice thinly sliced kebab. We don't want some thick pieces, so I'm just going to use the rest of my meat on another baking sheet. You just use your hands to kind of squeeze, smush, press it out all the way out to all of the sides. I'm going to use a pizza cutter to cut around 55 kebab pieces. This sheet is ready to go into the oven for around 14 minutes. While that is baking, I'm just going to do the other sheet with the rest of my meat. My meat is done, and I'm just going to use some paper towels just to kind of drip that excess meat juices off. Using a butter knife just to slice the kebab pieces from each other. I'm not really cutting because they are pretty much already cut, but just to split them from each other. Before I'm going to serve up these pizza breads, I am going to make a delicious yogurt dressing. I have some 2% Greek yogurt in a bowl. Going to add in some crushed garlic, parsley, lots of salt, pepper, and it's just really about mixing it. I'm also going to mix my sauce with some water because I like my dressing nice and runny. It is up to you how much water you want to use. I prepared some pizza bread, some lettuce, red onion and cucumber, and I'm ready to serve up my pizza bread. I'm so ready to dig in, guys. It smells so amazing. That sauce with the homemade kebab and then the onions, cucumber and lettuce and this piece of bread. It is so yummy, guys. If you want to give it a go, ingredients down below. As always, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos in the future. Bye! Mm. Mm, mm, mm.